Hey everyone, Jeep Tech tip of the day. Don't do what I just did. So I normally do all the maintenance, fluid changes on my Jeep Wrangler. From differential to transfer case, transmission, motor oil, everything. I normally do all the repairs too myself. But I screwed up. And this is a big screw up. And I'm going to show you what not to do with this little tool right here. Okay, so actually a few weeks back, I tried to change the fluid in the transfer case, and not thinking, and normally I'm going to show you the fill hole. I always start with the fill hole in case I can't get the drain hole plug out. You always start with the fill hole. So let me show you what I did. It's really stupid, so give me a minute. So real quick, there's the drain plug on my transfer case, and there's the fill hole. Oh boy, I rounded it out. Okay. Normally I clean it all out, get everything out of it, stick in the tool, go to turn it, and it comes out, right? Well, I screwed up. It got packed with mud. Just got in the tip of it and stripped it out. Got to try to get a stripper puller. It was stripping. Problem is you can't drill this because of the gears in here. So the next step to do is now I got to replace the cover on that thing. So we came up with a solution. We looked all over the place, some junkyards. No one, well, one place had the cover for it, but they wanted over 300 bucks for it. So I'm sporting in that is the MP241 transfer case. Okay. It's the newer design for the transfer cases for the Jeep Wranglers. Now, from 2007 to 2011, they had the NP241. Then 2012 and beyond, they moved up to the MP241 transfer case. They're heavy duty and beefy. So anyways, with that said, we went looking around. We found it at Marketplace. Someone bought a Jeep that burnt up, and they pulled out a transfer case, 250 bucks. So let me get this flipped. And there's used but new transfer case. And I just need the cover on it. But this time I'll clean out. I'm going to replace that. I just ordered the rebuild kit for this. Now, the thing is with these transfer cases, there's no rebuild kits for them. It's for the MP241, but you can use some of the parts for this, what I'm going to do. And I'll probably do a tech tip on that too as well. So don't do what I just did. Okay. When I get a gasket kit comes in, I'm going to pull that cover off. I'm going to actually replace some of the bearings and stuff in it. Pull that transfer case off that Jeep. Do the little swap. Put the transfer case back in, the original one. Rebolt it up, which can be a pain in the butt. Use that cover for this one. But I'm going to rebuild it. Have it as a spare transfer case. I mean, actually swapping out the transfer cases, it's actually fairly easy. Can anyone do it? Probably not. But use that as a grain of salt. Don't do what I just did, and everyone have a good day.